Today, you will learn how to center text vertically in Word and horizontally also, for sure. The first method is using a table. Go to the Insert tab, add a one-row, one-column table, and stretch it down to the bottom of the page. Then place your cursor inside the table, open the Table Layout tab, and in the Alignment section, choose the Center option in the middle. Now just type your text and it will stay perfectly centered on the page. To remove the border, go Table Design tab and choose No Border. The second method, select your text, go to the Home tab, and in the Paragraph section, click Center. This will place the text in the middle, from left to right. If you want to center text vertically on the page, click the Layout tab, then open the small Page Setup arrow in the corner. In the Page Setup box, go to the Layout tab, and under Vertical Alignment, choose Center. Your text will now move to the vertical middle of the page. If you want the next page to stay normal and start from the top again, place the cursor at the end of the centered page, go to Layout, and insert a Next Page section break. Then click inside the next section, open Page Setup again, and change Vertical Alignment back to Top. That's it. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy word tutorials.